Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I'm going to be doing a pearl pour today. I'm going to be using my hair dryer to blow it out, and I'm working in some very warm fall colors. I'm hoping to leave lots of negative space and keep the design very minimal. So let me walk you through my colors. Sorry, my voice is a little scratchy right now. I'm in rehearsals for Rocky Horror Picture Show with our local community theater, and I'm playing Brad, if you know the movie, or the play. And I have singing parts in 5 of the songs, and including one solo. So I've been singing and rehearsing a lot, and I feel like I'm kind of losing my voice. I need to slow down a little bit. But the show opens in like 15 days. Anyway, all right. So today I'm doing this blowout. I'm using a pearl mix. This is Artist Loft Soft Body White and DecoArt Satin Enamels. I've mixed all of my paints with my regular pouring medium, which is 2 parts US Floetrol, 1 part PVA Glue, and 1 part gloss varnish. And then I thinned everything down to a super thin, water-thin consistency. So I'll show you that here in just a moment. This is some leftover paint. It has some Amsterdam soft gold in it, but I'll use this to show you my consistency of all of my paints. When it drizzles off with a stir stick, it leaves an indent, and I'm only about 2 inches above the surface of the paint there. So this is kind of the perfect consistency. I think, again, this is leftover paints. I'm very certain there's also some satin enamels in here. So it'll be interesting how this reacts with the other colors. This is another leftover paint that definitely has some satin enamels in it, but it is not metallic at all. So I'm not sure what all colors went into it, but I know that there's satin enamels in that also. And then I have 3 colors from Golden Fluid Acrylics. I have quinacridone nickel azo gold, and I have red oxide, and then I also have their Van Dyke brown. This Van Dyke brown is a very interesting color. It dries almost black, but it's kind of a brown gray color. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera or not. So it's a really interesting color, and it dries very, very dark. So when it interacts with the whites and these other colors, it will interact as a brown, but when it dries black. And then I also have Amsterdam's burnt umber for a true brown color in the mix. So these are my my colors that add depth. These will be the colors, kind of the pop colors, and these other colors will add some sparkle and some lightness to the design. So I'm going to do this, like I said, very minimal. I'm probably going to just do like a little S curve here, and then I'll put the satin enamels behind it and then blow it out. I want to make sure that that I don't lose the color intensity in the center of the design. So I'm not putting a complete base coat down first, and I'll probably blow out one side, turn it around, and then blow out the other side. I kind of have it in my head that most of the design will be on this half of the canvas and mostly negative space here, but I may blow some color into that too. We'll see when I get there. I'm gonna just kind of play around with the idea. So we're gonna start. I'll put some music on for you when I get to the part where I blow out the design. But we're going to start with this quinacridone nickel azo gold and put in our composition shape. I tend to be kind of heavy-handed with the colors, so I'm going to try not to do that this time because I have a lot of color. I'm going to hold the 2 lightest tones back for now because I know they have, or believe they have satin enamel in them. So I'm going to put the colors without satin enamel down first. And just kind of cross path paths with it here. Ooh, I kind of drag my cup through it. That's all right. And now let's add some depth in here. I'm going to do this judiciously. Same thing with the Van Dyke brown. I don't want the dark colors to take over, but I do want them to add some depth. There we go. And then let's go ahead and add some of the gold around it in various places and then through the center also. This is one of the ones that I believe has satin enamel in it. But that's the one that has the metallic in it, and this is the one without the metallic. I'll put that all the way around here and here. Pretty. I almost kind of don't want to blow it out. So I've got a whole bunch of this satin enamel mixed up already. My pearl mix. But it's easier to pour from a small cup. A little bit more. And when I blow this out, I want it to be very wispy. I'm not looking for petals here. I'm not going to follow the line. I'm going to go out like this with it. Okay, those dry spots will get filled in as I blow it out. And yeah, once I blow out this side, I'll flip it around and do the other side. So let's give it a torch first.
What you're doing to me now. They lie, they steal, they fooled us. Deep down I probably knew this. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one's perfect. Planning by my side, I'm not worried. I think we'll be able to find ourselves again. Blank expressions, empty words. Nothing can keep me away from you. I think I will be holding on to the one thing that I know is stronger. Love is blind and no one told us. Platinum seems so shallow, 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 shallow. But you were bright white gold. Close your eyes, hear the voice within calling. This heavy load got under your skin. All in, you got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for a collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untied, you're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for a collision in the night to really